Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 24th, 2021. We are here today going to give you all an update on the price movement for Ethereum so that we can make sure we win. That is our whole purpose, to come in, look at the price chart, try to anticipate where the price is going to go so that we can win in the market right before anyone else. So if today is your first time ever viewing our content and you guys appreciate how we're giving you all a heads up as to where we're anticipating price to go, let me remind you to hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this channel. Tap that bell notification as well. You could join us on our other YouTube channel, HueFin News 2, to where we are creating stock price predictions within the stock market. You guys can tell we did a price prediction for Ethereum on the 20th of March, and as of today, the market is not going the way that we expected it to go, right? But you can tell over the last 2 days, including today's trading day, the market is hovering right there at our area of support right here. Around 1670 is where we expecting the market to try to come in and hold support. A lot of this prediction is going to be hampered or dependent on if this market breaks our ascending line. We're there right now. And this is no surprise to see the market actually trying to move higher from off our ascending line. So we need to look at a couple of other time frames to see if the market really will hold this ascending line, or do we need to get rid of our prediction and go the opposite direction, because we are going to anticipate that the market in Ethereum is going to break that line. And if so, we need to make sure that we get in position before anyone else even sees it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this real quick. I wanted to start off looking at Ethereum on the 2-day time frame. And you can tell that generally the last couple of 2-day price bars, the market in Ethereum is giving us weakness. The current 2-day price bar, though, is where we're trying to see the inflection or the start of strength coming into the market. That is what the current 2-day price bar represents. Everyone sees the same type of information. Everyone understands that that particular price level, 1715 to 1680, is the crutch, is the pinpoint to where we will make a decision if Ethereum will continue to trend alongside this ascending line, or will we break it to the downside. So now we need to see the market, if it's going to be maintaining its strength, we need to see it prop itself up right now where we're seeing the market trade. So we're not surprised to see the market actually coming and try to show some strength right now. We're not surprised of that. The thing is, in order to get a leg up above everyone else, we need to try to anticipate, do we really think it's going to hold? Because if not, then we need to get ahead of the game and move and predict that the market and things going to go lower. So let's do this real quick. Let's take a look at this on a 3-day time frame real quick. You guys can see here that even on a 3-day time frame, the last completed 3-day price bar, the market in Ethereum is weak. So I'm not really seeing all of that strength that many people are anticipating to come to fruition off that ascending line. I don't see that right now. What about on the 5-day time frame? Even here on the 5-day time frame, where is the demand for Ethereum at these prices? I'm not seeing it. Not even on the 5-day time frame. Weekly time frame, you guys can see it here. We still have 4 days and 15 hours left, but generally the environment right now in Ethereum is not bullish. Now you might feel some type of way based off what we're saying, but this is literally what the chart is reading. We cannot alter that. We cannot change that. And quite frankly, the trap doesn't care about our emotions. He doesn't even care about why we feel the way we feel. The market is going to go the way that it's going to go. And the quicker you realize that, the quicker you understand that, okay, I need to play with a trap. So I don't see any strength here on the weekly time frame, neither in the market for Ethereum. Now, this is the 3-week time frame. And currently, the 3-week time frame in the market for Ethereum is strictly showing us nothing but weakness. This is no strength at all being exhibited. Now, we still have 4 days and 15 hours left. So what we're seeing right now, we cannot hold that as concrete, because the price bar It's not going to look the way that it looks now in the next 4 days and 15 hours. But if you were to complete the 3-week price bar right now, I would definitely be expecting the market in Ethereum to go lower in price. Okay, so let's take a look at this on an hourly time frame real quick. Here it is on a 13-hour price chart, and you all can see here that the market in Ethereum is giving us some strength. Now, I will be anticipating, at least on the hourly time frame, the market in Ethereum going higher in price. Yes, we can initially see the market in Ethereum go higher in price, which won't be a problem. The only thing we need to find out is, okay, how high do we expect the market to go right before we see some more weakness enter in and the market comes back down? So I'm seeing about 2 areas that we're going to address on this chart. The first one is right here in this vicinity, to where this is area's restriction, which is around $1,745, give or take. Then the second one is all the way up here towards 1850. Okay, right there around our break-even point is where we can actually see the market in Ethereum garner some weakness, okay, and come back down. So this is the play of what we're anticipating. Right now, the market is testing this ascending line. What we're expecting is for the market to come back up, maybe around 1745, all the way up here to 1850, and then come back down and break the market to the downside. That is what we're anticipating to see into the market for Ethereum. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this prediction that we did on March the 20th and consider it wrong, incorrect. And if we were to get out right now, we'll be down 7.32%, excuse me. But we need to get ahead of the game. We need to make sure we are in position to capitalize on this next price movement lower in Ethereum. So I said that right here around 1850 is where we'll go ahead and TP out or show some restriction into the market. This is where we're expecting the sellers to be. Okay, we're not saying that this is a stop loss. We don't utilize stop losses in exchanges. The only stop losses that we utilize is in our own minds. We mentally know where we will get out the market. We don't want to give the trap any advantage as to where he needs to take the price before the market goes the opposite direction. That is precisely what stop losses do. All right, so we're going to play the weakness into the market in Ethereum. We're expecting it to break the trend over the next couple of trading days. And for us, we will skim off a little bit of profitability right here around $1,567, which is around 8.5%. But we can definitely see it come all the way down here towards $1,500. Okay, so this is it. We might even see the market in Ethereum come up just a tad higher above 1850, but we'll be fine with that as well. Okay, so this is it. This is our updated price prediction. This is where we're expecting the trap to go. And now we want to give you all the opportunity to call the market right alongside with us. Let us know with a comment in the comment section, where do you expect price to go in the next 3 weeks, so that you can be in position to capitalize right before anyone else sees this. So let us know with a comment in the comment section. And that's it. Make sure you maintain that profitability. And as always, trade different.